Forget everything you thought you knew about the Apple TV. Most people see it as just another streaming box. A convenient way to watch Netflix or YouTube without dealing with the clunky, ad-filled interface on their smart TV. But that's only scratching the surface. What Apple is quietly building in 2026 goes far beyond entertainment. This small, sleek box is becoming one of the most ambitious and strategic products in Apple's entire lineup. A device that's less about streaming and more about transforming your home into an intelligent, invisible computer. While the world's attention is locked on iPhones and the Vision Pro headset, Apple has been turning the Apple TV into something far more influential. The story starts with a question. Why hasn't Apple updated the Apple TV hardware in 4 years? In the fast-paced tech world where products become outdated in months, it seems strange. But the truth is, Apple didn't need to update it yet. The 2022 Apple TV 4K was already in a class of its own. It didn't chase gimmicks, ads, or data collection. In a world where every gadget is shouting for attention or trying to monetize you, the Apple TV's silence became its greatest luxury. It doesn't track your habits or flood your screen with suggestions. It simply delivers fast, fluid, private. No lag, no noise, no manipulation. It's the last peaceful corner of consumer tech. The design of tvOS 26 feels like an extension of that philosophy. Calm, clean, liquid, smooth. Everything about it aims to disappear, to get out of your way. You press play and the experience just flows. This simplicity isn't an accident. It's the result of a deliberate, almost philosophical decision by Apple. Technology should serve you quietly, not compete for your attention. That's why even now, many still recommend the 2022 model, because it's the most serene experience you can buy. But Apple's silence over the past few years wasn't about neglect. It was about waiting for the moment when the hardware could finally catch up to the grander vision they had in mind. That moment is now. The upcoming 2026 Apple TV is rumored to be a complete reimagining of what a home device can be. Powered by the new A19 chip and Apple's mysterious N1 wireless module, it's more than a streaming hub. It's the foundation for a new kind of living space. This is where Apple's dream of ambient computing becomes real. Technology that fades into the background, but is always aware of you and your environment. The A19 isn't just faster, it's smarter. It brings contextual awareness to your home, allowing the system to understand what's happening around it and act accordingly. Imagine coming home at night. You settle on the couch, press play on a movie, and without a word your blinds close, the lights dim, and the temperature adjusts exactly how you like it. You didn't ask for it, the system just knows. That's the leap Apple is chasing. No more commands, no more "Hey Siri." The technology anticipates you. It learns your habits, your patterns, your comfort zones. That level of intuition demands serious processing power, something the new chip finally provides. Then there's the N1 module, the secret weapon. This chip reportedly merges Thread, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth into a single ultra-stable mesh network. On the surface, it sounds like just another connectivity upgrade, but its implications are massive. The Apple TV becomes the silent hub connecting your entire digital ecosystem. It strengthens every Apple device you own. Your HomePods deliver richer, synchronized audio. Your smart lights respond instantly. Even your iPhone battery benefits, as tasks quietly offload to the Apple TV. Suddenly, everything just works better together. And that's where Apple's real genius lies. Once your entire home hums along smoothly because of this one box, switching to another ecosystem becomes nearly impossible. You're not just buying a product, you're joining a network you won't want to leave. But Apple's ambitions go beyond automation. They're reimagining how we interact with the living room itself. The next generation Apple TV is rumored to support cameras, possibly built-in or compatible with external ones, paving the way for something called the social living room. Think of it as the antidote to the isolation of our digital age. For the past decade, we've been trapped in personal screens, scrolling, swiping, existing in bubbles. Apple wants to reverse that trend, to bring people back together around a shared experience. Imagine watching a premiere on Apple TV Plus while FaceTiming your friends in a small window on the same screen, laughing together in real time, reacting as if you're in the same room. It's a new kind of social experience, part movie night, part hangout, part digital gathering. It could reshape how entertainment feels in the home. And Apple's ecosystem makes it seamless. Combine that with the rumored fitness integration, where the camera tracks your movement during workouts, and suddenly your Apple TV becomes your gym trainer, workout mirror, and entertainment system all in one. Apple is quietly absorbing entire industries into this one device: fitness, entertainment, communication, all under one calm, beautiful interface. The timing couldn't be more deliberate. All signs point to a major spring 2026 event, the biggest in Apple's home product history. Supply chain leaks and software breadcrumbs suggest that Apple is preparing to launch not just a new Apple TV, but an entirely new platform. A home operating system that unifies displays, speakers, and automation into a single ecosystem. Apple isn't positioning this as a streaming box anymore. It's the command center of your smart home. The move makes perfect sense when you step back and see the pattern. The Apple Watch turned health tracking into a lifestyle. The iPhone became the center of your digital identity. Now the Apple TV is about to become the soul of your connected home. Quiet, invisible, essential. The design will likely be refined, maybe slimmer or sleeker, but the real magic won't be in how it looks. It'll be in what it makes possible. And yet, for all the futuristic talk, Apple hasn't forgotten the core promise: excellence in the basics. The current model still handles Dolby Vision and Atmos better than anything else out there. It's rock solid, private, and fast. A minimalist masterpiece that already outperforms most smart devices. So if you just want an incredible streaming experience, you're not missing out. But if you're curious about where Apple is heading next, pay close attention this spring. The next Apple TV might quietly redefine what a home computer means. Apple's brilliance has always been in subtlety. They don't announce revolutions. They sneak them into your life until you realize you can't imagine living without them. That's exactly what's happening here. The Apple TV is no longer just a way to watch shows. It's becoming the central nervous system of your home. The silent, invisible machine that connects everything and everyone. The Trojan horse of the smart home era. So now the question is, was this all part of Apple's grand plan from the start? Have they been intentionally waiting, crafting this moment where all the pieces align? Or did the delays simply buy them time to catch up to their vision? Either way, one thing is certain. The Apple TV is about to step out of the shadows and reveal its true purpose. It's not just another device. It's the future of the home, disguised as a box beneath your TV.